Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by de-energizing the machine, unplug the dryer and switch off the circuit breaker so you don't risk shock. Next, take out the lint screen and remove the visible screws holding the top or front panel. This gives direct access to the console. Once the panel is loose, lift or swing it open to expose the control assembly, and set screws aside in a container so they don't get lost. Make sure the new start button matches the connector style before moving to step 2. With the console exposed, detach the wiring harness by pressing the release tab and pulling straight out. Take a photo so you remember each wire location. Then locate the screws or retaining clips that hold the switch housing. Remove them and carefully push the old button assembly out from the front. Use needle nose pliers for stubborn tabs and avoid twisting. You can break the bezel if you force it. Once the assembly is free, compare the old and new parts to confirm orientation and connector compatibility. Place the new start button into the bezel, aligning tabs and seating it flush, then reinstall the housing screws or snap the clips back. Reconnect the wiring harness using your photo as a map so each terminal matches. Once connected, lower the panel into place and fasten all screws securely. Plug the dryer back into power and run a brief cycle to confirm the start button functions. If it doesn't start, check the harness seating and test continuity on the switch. Loose connector or faulty switch are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.